I didn't notice.
I didn't think I was that much taller than you. Okay. All right. You ready?
Yes.
Go. I'll push you along. Ready? I'll give you a push.
Oh, danke. Oh, by the way, my camera's rolling.
Is that a question, Rahul? I don't know. I can't see where.
My camera is rolling. That was a statement.
Okay.
All right. How about me? Am I wrong? Sophia, blinking light?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Let's go.
All right. The Great Eastern. The sky is so blue. Bluish. Why are you lagging behind?
What was that? Oh. We want to go that way.
That way?
Yep. Was that supposed to be an impression of me?
Yeah.
I hope it wasn't a very good one.
It was an excellent impression. I don't know what she did, but it was probably good.
Can I do that more?
That's what I saw. That's not what I look like, I really hope.
Well, now you do.
I'm gonna hit you with 2 poles. I'm gonna pole clap.
You can see so far. Wow. Oh my god. That is stunning.
Rahul feels the need to give commentary on everything he sees. And so I'm reporting,
Indeed.
live from Great Eastern. Rahul, I have a question for you.
Yes.
Why do you feel the need to talk so much?
Video etiquette. It makes the videos more interesting.
I see.
It's for the viewers.
What was that?
The viewers can't read my
into the
mind.
microphone.
The viewers can't read my mind, you know.
I see.
Oh, these guys look like professionals. Look at them. They've got like jerseys and stuff. Are we going that way? Oh, wow. Whoever threw that's got a great arm. What the heck? Do you see that? Some kid threw a snowball from there, like onto a chairlift.
Cut.
Almost onto a chairlift. Doesn't take very close. Oh, sorry. My bad. Didn't mean to clip your pole. Oh, wow. Look at that. Andrew, look to your right. Oh.
It's further down.
Oh.
We're gonna take this to Bittersweet.
Huh?
We're gonna take this to Bittersweet.
Oh, all right.
What?
We're gonna take Great Eastern to Bittersweet. And
You
the
are?
Vertigo, everyone. Oh, we all are. The Vertigo head wall is off Bittersweet.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Great
Let's
Eastern
go!
to Vertigo?
What?
Great Eastern to Vertigo?
I'm gonna assume. No. What did you say? Rahul?
Great Eastern to Vertigo?
No. You are not taking Vertigo.
Oh, I see.
Yes. Bittersweet to High Road.
Bittersweet to High Road, okay.
Let's get off of this trail. There's too many racers, and I don't like racers. I'm hungry. I didn't have my waffle. I'm upset. I didn't have a waffle today. I'm upset.
Oh.
I'm upset.
I'm so sorry to hear, Boo Boo. We'll give you a chocolate chip cookie instead.
Okay. I didn't have a waffle.
And he's upset.
Yes.
So I said we'll give him a chocolate chip cookie instead.
Tomorrow.
Wait, do I get 2 waffles tomorrow?
No. One waffle a
Depends on
day.
your behavior.
Okay.
Come on, let's see.
To the sign! They are indeed turns. What?
Oh, he has a wide stance,
He has a very wide stance, yes. It's very square.
but he does keep his arms out in front of him.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. No, I'm very impressed with the way he's been doing. Oh, wow. Sorry.
Spooky.
Hello.
You almost sidelined your girlfriend. Holy shit. That was wild.
Sideline is a little bit of an exaggeration there, sir.
You came in from the side and she almost fell.
That's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. I forgive you
Thank you.
for your
Thank you.
imperfections.
See, I'm at. Okay.
I mean, the fact is, you did it.
You did. That's why I forgave you.
All right. Here we go. Bittersweet. So Rahul can stop talking.
I'll go on.
They
this
both
one.
take you to the same place. Oh, you gotta be kidding.
Andale! Whoa!
That.
Excellent.
Wipe out.
Is that open?
Yeah, it's open.
Ready?
Yes.
Says it is on the app anyway.
Well, there's no rope there, it's open.
We're gonna have to go soon.
Yeah. Pathetic.
That was good. Line.
Okay. Vertical head wall.
Okay, good.
Is that
Ah!
Hey!
Got your ski!
angle?
Miss.
Swing and a miss!
Ow. What?
Vertical head wall is at an angle, upward angle.
Oh,
You
okay.
gotta remember that for the arrow.
All right. All right. You want to take Bittersweet down to High Road, and take High Road to the bottom.
Okay.
All right.
Let's go.
Bye.
Ow.
Bittersweet to High Road. Let's do it.
Oh, no, no, come on. It says it's open. Wow. It literally says it's open. Huh? It literally says it's open.
Take fans right now, pick up where to go on the bar. Right after the
And then
Keep going. Yep. I'm following you now. Wipe out. Oh wow, that's a nice angle. High Road. What?
We were already on Bittersweet.
Yes. Yeah. Let's keep going. Now I understand why Andrew does the whole like let you go ahead and catch up thing. It's a lot of fun to go fast. It's a thrill. All right, let's chase. Whoa! Shit! God damn! That was a big fall. Yeah. Lean too far back. Woo. Let's get that out of the way. Clip and clip. All right. That's the thing though. a little bit less control if I do that. Yeah! Let's go! Ah.
I lost you.
Andrew! Vertigo's close?
Yeah.
Aw.
What? Panic button needle died. I got 4 more speed than I was ready for there.
Yeah, I couldn't.
I was bugging. I was. And I wasn't prepared to be doing that.
You know where we are, right?
I did get the launch. I'm sort of amazed I didn't flip myself.
I flipped myself actually. I picked up a ton of speed because I was I wanted to. And
Did you do it the right way?
yeah. I was in control for a while.
That's not what I meant, but okay.
I was in control for a while, and then I hit like a patch of more powdery snow than I expected, and then I went forward. Yeah.
Oh, because I thought you were right behind me, and then I was like, I lost my room.
So I'm gonna take off.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. See ya.
Did you want to do the Dream Makers thing? That one's black.
Not particularly. What time is it?
What about
Probably
Trusty, I
like-
guess, the other side of the mountain?
Well, it's not too far, but the time is now
3:34.